I-EFF ibungaza usuku iAfrica Day ngemashi ezindlini zenxusa lase-France ePitoli. Leliqembu lifuna ukuba iFrance ihlukane nokugxambukela ezindabeni zase-Africa. Leliqembu lizibophezele ngokulwa nelikubiza ngokuthi ukuphathwa kweAfrica yiFrance. Iqembu lethule uhlulwe ikhalo enxuseni lase-France Kulelizwe.
Accept continued micromanaging of African affairs. We are not a junior in global affairs, where Africa must stand up and be able to determine its own affairs politically, economically, culturally, educationally, scientifically, and otherwise. So we are confronting France because France continues to be a festering parasite within the politic and the body politic of Africa. They continue to micromanage West Africa. They continue to determine the currencies of Francophone nations in terms of where they keep their monetary reserves.
We are happy today to tell France we are sick and tired, especially the French colony. We want this armed forces, especially in Mali, in the Sahel region, to go out from Africa. We need the partnership where we can win together. We don't need the people to come to colonize us again and again. Africa, we are sick and tired. That's why we are here today, and we thank I-EFF to organize this sitting and this march to go to the French embassy and tell them, Africa, we are tired from the colonial forces. We don't need somebody to dictate as our president. We need the free election in our country.